Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I finally have another makeup tutorial for you, so let's get started. I'm actually not all too sure what I'm planning, as usual. I really just want to try out a new palette that I got by PUPA. And I haven't tried it yet, so that's the plan for today. Just starting off with an eye primer though, as usual. And obviously I am already wearing BB cream and also eyebrow pomade, because this is obviously not what they look like by nature. The palette I'm gonna use is this one, and if the bottom row looks kind of doomed, that's because it was broken and I fixed it with alcohol. So I'm holding it extremely carefully now. Anyway, we're just gonna start off with this shade over here in the crease. Okay, as you can tell, the colors sort of mixed together, making the taupe into more of a taupe greyish thing, which is going to be more visible probably on the other eye, because by now I'm removing the flecks of black eyeshadow that fell into it. And yeah, this is also why I didn't have a specific plan in mind, because I really can't guarantee how this first look with this palette is going to turn out. It's just a top layer really that's been mixed together a little bit, so it should be fine after I've used it a few times. But if this is like something you have with a palette that you have to fix it, just keep in mind that the first couple of times you're going to use it, you might not end up with the colors like you anticipate them to be. Just keep that in mind. Now I'm just darkening up the outer crease with a darker eyeshadow. Very surprising, I know. I gotta say, these blend pretty well. I mean, they actually blend really well. Like the first one blended absolutely amazing, and this one even blends really good. Despite the fact that this one got doused in rubbing alcohol by me to fix it. So yeah, quality is definitely good. Then a matte brow bone highlight. Okay, the color in this palette that was the most doomed, like the most broken up, crumbly, whatever, was the black eyeshadow, which I'm now going to try to use to do sort of a soft liner. Okay, now I gotta admit that like it was broken when I got it, so I can't really compare to how it was when it was not, you know, broken and fixed. However, it works well, so we can assume that it's a good eyeshadow anyway. Because, you know, if it still performs well after it's been broken and fixed, then it was definitely a good eyeshadow to begin with. Okay, I also applied it a little bit underneath my eyes, by which I just made the appliance of concealer in a bit like 5,000 times more difficult for myself. Always good. Anyway, time for some shimmer now. Now, the shimmer is, well, it's not bad, but like it's not exactly what I thought it would be, because like in the palette, it's literally bright gold and really glittery. And this one was not broken, by the way, so this is just how it is supposed to be. But like on the eye, as you can tell, it's more like a bronze shade, and it's, well, it's not matte obviously, but it's like really more of a shimmer and not as glittery as it looks in the palette. Also, I feel like I have to use a lot of it to get it on my eye. Like I literally have to like grab more every 5 seconds. I don't know, like it's not a bad shade at all. Like, I definitely don't hate it, or maybe it did get mixed more than I thought it did, because I do feel like it gets more golden the more I use it. Oh, the joys of using a makeup palette that used to be broken. Anyway, I'm just gonna blend a little bit so you don't get an awkward like edge between like the shimmer on the lid and the crease shade. And after that I'm just gonna do a bit of an inner corner highlight. Then we're just gonna apply some subtle false lashes. These are mostly on the outer corners. Then just a pale pencil on the waterline as usual. And then some mascara to finish off the eyes. Okay, now that we have this, we have most of the look done. I'm just gonna finish off my face real quick off camera, and then I'll come back to you. And that leaves us with the final results. Yeah, I actually quite like how this turned out. It's sort of like autumn vibes, I feel, but well, I mean, it's September by now, and like right now there's actually thunder and lightning outside, so I suppose it's suitable. The summer really went by quickly. Or at least, well, you know, in the Netherlands we basically have autumn in summer and autumn in autumn and autumn in winter and autumn in spring. So it's a good thing I love autumn. Anyway, yeah, this is what we ended up with. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out because it makes YouTube suggest my videos more often to new people. And if you don't want to miss any of the future videos, including other makeup tutorials, but also gaming videos, vlogs and whatever else I feel like filming, you can always subscribe to my channel. For now, as always, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!